Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best protein bars for muscle gain that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a quick post-workout snack or a meal replacement to fuel your day, we've got you covered. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Pure Proteins Bars Variety Pack. This pack includes an impressive 25 bars, making it one of the most economical options for those who need a steady supply of protein bars. Each bar is packed with high protein and minimal sugar, designed to provide energy support and keep you powered through workouts or busy days. Plus, they're gluten-free, making them a suitable choice for those with dietary restrictions. The build quality of these bars is decent. They're not too hard or chewy, offering a balanced texture that makes them enjoyable to eat. However, the flavor profile is pretty basic, with a focus on chocolate notes that some may find repetitive after a while. On the performance side, these bars deliver a solid dose of protein, though some users report that they lack the level of satiety you'd expect from a bar marketed for muscle gain. While the price per bar is a strong selling point, the lack of variety in flavors and the somewhat generic taste keeps this pack from climbing higher on our list. If you're looking for cost-effective protein bars that get the job done without any frills, these are worth considering. Pros include the large pack size and affordability, while cons include the limited flavor options and average taste. Coming in at number 4 is the Matt RX Big 100 Protein Bar in Super Cookie Crunch flavor. If you're after a bar that packs a serious protein punch, this one delivers with an impressive 32 grams of protein per bar. Designed as a meal replacement, it's a fantastic option for those who need both fuel and convenience. The bar also features metamycin, a unique protein blend that combines fast and slow-digesting proteins to support muscle growth and recovery over time. The design of these bars is hefty. They feel substantial in your hand, and the Super Cookie Crunch flavor offers a satisfying balance of sweetness and crunch. However, the large size may be overwhelming for those who prefer lighter snacks. In terms of performance, these bars are ideal for intense workout days or as a full meal replacement, keeping you full and energized for hours. One downside, however, is that the bar's calorie count is on the higher side, which may not suit everyone's dietary goals. With only 4 bars per pack, the Matt RX Big 100 Protein Bar isn't the most cost-effective option, but its high protein content and substantial size make it worth considering for athletes or anyone with high protein needs. Pros include the massive protein dose and satisfying flavor, while cons include the higher calorie count and smaller pack size. Taking the third spot are the CLIF Builders protein bars in cookies and cream flavor. With 20 grams of plant-based protein per bar, these are an excellent choice for those who prefer non-dairy options. The bars are gluten-free, non-GMO, and low glycemic, which means they're designed to deliver sustained energy without causing sugar spikes. Plus, the cookies and cream flavor is a standout, offering a rich, chocolatey coating and a satisfying crunch. The build quality of these bars is top-notch. They're dense but not overly chewy, and the texture is balanced with just the right amount of crunch. Performance-wise, these bars are great for post-workout recovery or as a midday energy boost. The plant-based protein is a plus for those following vegetarian or vegan diets, but the bars may not feel as filling as some of the heavier options on this list. While these bars are slightly pricier than traditional protein bars, the high-quality ingredients and well-thought-out design make them worth it for those who prioritize clean and sustainable nutrition. Pros include the plant-based protein, excellent flavor, and low glycemic index, while cons include the slightly higher price and less filling nature compared to meal replacement bars. In the runner-up spot, we have the Think Protein Bars in creamy peanut butter flavor. These bars offer 20 grams of protein with 0 grams of sugar, a significant selling point for anyone watching their sugar intake. They're also gluten-free, kosher, and free from artificial sweeteners or genetically engineered ingredients, making them a clean and health-conscious choice. The creamy peanut butter flavor is rich and indulgent, and the texture strikes a nice balance between soft and chewy. These bars are versatile, serving as an energy-boosting snack or a light meal replacement when paired with something like a piece of fruit. In terms of performance, the high protein content supports muscle recovery and growth, making them ideal for gym-goers and athletes. What sets these bars apart is their focus on clean nutrition and a low glycemic index, which ensures steady energy release without sugar crashes. However, some users may find the peanut butter flavor a bit repetitive over time, and the bars can feel a little dense. Pros include the zero sugar formula, clean ingredients, and excellent protein content, while cons include the flavor monotony and dense texture. Finally, taking the top spot is the Barebells Protein Bars Variety Pack. This 12-count pack includes some of the brand's fan-favorite flavors, like cookies and cream, caramel cashew, salty peanut, and chocolate dough. Each bar packs 20 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar, offering a perfect balance of indulgence and nutrition. Barebells bars are GMO-free, palm oil-free, and crafted with taste and texture in mind, making them a standout in the protein bar market. The design and build quality of these bars are exceptional. They have a soft, nougat-like texture that feels luxurious and satisfying. The variety of flavors ensures you never get bored, and the rich chocolate coating adds an extra layer of decadence. Performance-wise, these bars are versatile, serving as a pre-workout boost, post-workout recovery snack, or even a midday treat. What sets Barebells apart is their commitment to flavor without compromise. These bars feel less like a protein snack and more like a dessert, making it easy to stick to your fitness goals without sacrificing taste. The only downside is that they're not the most budget-friendly option. Pros include the outstanding flavor variety, soft texture, and balanced nutrition, while cons include the slightly higher price point. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.